In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify that your email configuration is correctly set up in Zendesk. This is an essential task to ensure that your communication with customers is seamless and that everything on the back end is running smoothly. Let's walk through this process together so that you can feel confident knowing that your email setup is spot on. First, head over to the Zendesk website. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Zendesk's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage, making it easy to spot. Click this button to proceed. Next, you will see the Login page. If needed, go ahead and click Sign In again to be directed to the page where you can enter your login details. Here, you'll need to input your email and password. Make sure you've got these details on hand, and remember to enter them carefully to avoid any login issues. Once that's done, click Sign In again. Once you're logged in, your first stop should be the Settings area. To get there, look for the Settings icon, which usually resembles a gear symbol. Clicking this icon will open a menu with various options. It should be an easy click, taking you one step closer to verifying your email setup. In the settings menu, you'll see the option to go to Admin Center. Click on this link. The Admin Center is where you'll be managing a lot of your Zendesk operations, so it's good to become familiar with it over time. After arriving at the Admin Center, your next move is to find the Channels section. This is where all your communication pathways, including email, are housed. Clicking Channels will display a list of options, and what you'll want to do is click on Email from this list. Now here's the crucial part. You'll want to check for a green check icon next to your email information in this section. This green check is your confirmation that everything is set up correctly. If you see it, congratulations, your email configuration in Zendesk is verified. Should the green check not be visible, you may want to revisit your steps or reach out to Zendesk support for additional assistance. It's essential to get this right, as an incorrect setup can lead to communication issues with your customers. And there you have it, you've just verified your email configuration in Zendesk. Remember, double checking this setup from time to time can help you maintain smooth operations within your customer service framework. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for further support. Thank you for joining me today, and happy Zendesk configuring.